I'm back. I know it's been a minute. It's been a while, hasn't it, since I did an unboxing of any type of style box or shared anything with you other than my grandson, who is cancer-free. If you guys have not seen that video, I will link it up here. It's like less than 2 minutes, I think. It's just a little celebration of him getting to ring the bell. We were so excited. I've received some boxes, other style boxes, but trying them on, they didn't excite me. And if they didn't excite me, it's not going to excite you. So I didn't see a reason to film and post the video, but I'm ready. I know Stitch Fix is always hit or miss for me, but honestly, I'm just very picky. I'm very, very picky on where I spend my money. Also, the weight is coming on. What can I say? I am 66 years old and menopause is not my friend. It's not going away. And my doctor has taken away most of my estrogen because I've been on it way too long. And that has its own other complications, I should say. But we're going to get through this. It's going to be good. It is what it is. Let's see what happens. Let's have fun. Okay. Here are 4 items, which I already showed you. Let's just open the shoes first. With Stitch Fix, they send you 5 items. They do send you a preview. And if you pick up, you can pick up to 5 items to be sent to you. If you pick none or just 1, the stylist will finish. Oh, these are cute. Will fill that void with some other items for you. So let me get the paper out of this. Ah, these are cute. They're like a metallic gold with some sparkle on the side, cute little wedge. I like that it has the zipper on the back. This is, stretchy. This is not stretchy. I don't know, they're cute. I'll try them on. I also changed my sizes because I cannot get this weight under control. But you know what? You just figure it out as you go. So that's what I'm doing. These are kind of cute. I hope they look cute on, and I hope they're comfortable. So I had to actually change my foot size, my shoe size. Yes, I went up a half a size. Yeah. I don't know, that extra weight, it just distributes everywhere. Let's see, what else did I want to share with you guys? Did I tell you that the styling fee is $20? And if you keep all 5 items that they send you, you get a additional 25% discount. Oh boy, cute. Isn't that cute? I love the sleeve on it. I like the neckline, but it's it's not too short. I could wear it with this skirt. Okay, it's shorter than I thought it was going to be. And let's see, I'll tell you about it when I try them on. What are these? Oh, shorts. I need shorts. Like nothing fits. I have 1 pair that fit. Oh, democracy. Okay, size 8, Absolution. Hopefully they have enough stretch in them that I can get them on. It looks like this rolls down. I like the distressing on them. I have some other shorts this color, but they don't fit. Nope, they don't fit. Oh well, what can I say? We'll figure it out. Oh, this is a dress. Oh, look how cute. I did not select this. I think I only selected the shorts. Oh, this is cute. I like the little, it's got elastic waistband or some ruching. Little tie. It's a midi length. Look at the pretty print. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. And I want to wear more dresses, skirts, because they just fit. My hips are wider than the top of me. I'm a pear shape, so dresses are difficult to fit. Ooh, these are an 810 dictionary. I don't know. Oh, these were in my preview also, and I'm like, go ahead and send them. I'll try them on. They look like they're Bootcut. They're more of a dress pants, which I need a pair desperately. Pockets on the side, so we'll see. We'll try them on. Also, with Stitch Fix, you get Okay, that's pricing. We don't want to look at that right now. Style sheet, which I don't follow the style sheet, and a letter from your stylist. I just kind of put things together with, you know, what I like. You know, we all like something different. All right. Oh, prepaid envelope. You get to send anything you don't keep for free. All right, let's get to try on. Not sure how well this is going to show on camera, but we're just going to roll with it. So let's start with this top. This is actually very cute. It's not as short as I thought it was. It's actually a nice length. It is by Always Yours. Oh, it's called Always Yours Knit Top. It's by Sanctuary. It's $48. It's really cute. See, it's a pretty good length. Covers the top of the hips. Low in the back. That's not bad. I thought it was going to be more of a crop top. It has some stretch elastic here. Problem is that you need someone to tie the sleeves. They were too tight on me. There's no one else here. So it is a drawstring. So once you get the right fit, you should be able to just slip it on your arms, because I wouldn't want it too tight, so I'm not able to do that. I think it's really cute. I love the neckline of this. And the back, I don't know. This is pretty cute. $48. I don't know. It's cute. I like it. They say it's red. It looks a little more, it doesn't look red to me in person. It looks like it has a little more peach to it. But it is cute. $48. I don't know. All right. The pants. All right. Let's be really nice. They are too tight. They are by 151. Never heard of 151. Have you guys heard of them? They're only $48. They feel so good. As you can tell, they're too tight, but you know what? That's just my life right now. And when I size up, they're too big. So I'm kind of like that in between. I had conflicting sizes. The pants say they're an 8-10. Paperwork says they're a size medium. I don't know, but I might size up in these because these are nice. They are a high-rise, long inseam boot cut trouser. They are not lined. They have the side pockets. They're not sticking out too far, which is really nice. It's got, oh, I thought that was a zipper. It's not. It does have belt loops. It has a button. It does have the zipper. It has the pockets in the back, but it also has like this darts up here, which gives you a nice, better fit. I love the length. I am 5'3" for reference, so this is a perfect length. These are a really, really nice pair of pants. Lots of stretch in them. I don't know, you guys. I might have to size up in these and see what happens. So, I don't know. We're off to a, I'm almost fell. We're off to a really good start. Oh goodness, this is a cute outfit with this red top and the shorts. The shorts fit and the shoes. The shoes are too big. I need to go down a half a size. The last box they sent me a pair of shoes and they were too small, so I upped my size. These are too loose, but let me show you everything. The shorts are, I love these. I mean, look at how much better the shirt fits. You don't see my belly roll as much because they're not too tight, because they're Absolution. They are the Absolution cuffed denim jeans, rolled jeans. They do roll down. They have a little distressing here, so they're a little bit longer, which I like this length, but I like having the comfort of being able to roll them down if I just feel like, I don't know, too much cellulite is showing that day or something. But you know, they're a typical denim 5-pocket snap. You know, it's got the belt loops, zipper. There's the back. Looks cute. Doesn't it look cute with this top? I know I kind of like a front tuck, but you know, when you're a little self-conscious, sometimes actually a front tuck looks better. Okay, let me show you the shoes. The shoes are really cute. Of course, I took my polish off a couple days ago. These are by Me Too Shoes, which I've never heard of. They're the Gilly Electric Wedge, and they're $89. I'm wearing a size 7.5, where I used to wear a 7. And they work great with my right foot that has a bunion still. Left foot, no bunion. These are nice and they are comfortable. I don't know, I like this outfit. All right, let's try the dress on. This dress, I'll tell you what, I love the style of this dress. It is a midi. So let me back up and show you the length. I am 5'3". These are not the right shoes, but it's all that I had other than heels. The heels look good with it, but I would want it to be able to wear this casual. There's no pockets. Love the style of this. I like the ruching around it's a high waist. It's not my true waist, which is what I like. The V-neck, the little cap sleeves. You can tie it if you want. It's got some weights on the bottom. It's a very pretty blue. It's like a navy with some flowers. They go different directions. I don't know, it's pretty cute, but it feels so revealing. It feels so thin. $64 by Market and Spruce. It's just called the Smocked A-line. Love the style, but I think it's just a little too thin for my liking because when I was up in my full length mirror, you could kind of see through it. I didn't have any lights on. It's kind of a gloomy day today. So I would not feel comfortable wearing this for $64. I mean, if I found this dress for 20 bucks, yeah, I'd take a chance. I'd probably put something on underneath it. But so this is gonna be a no. Let me give you the total. If I were to keep all 5, I'm sweating. I turned the AC way up so that it's not noisy. Let's see, $317, 25% discount would be $79.25 taken off of that total, which would bring it down to $237.75. I don't pay a styling fee because I have the styling pass. So $237 for this box, I'd say is a good deal. The shoes are really cute. I would have to size down. Maybe I should go back to my regular size because I tried on some different shoes upstairs and they all fit. So it must have just been that style, but these are really cute. I just don't think they look cute with the dress. The shorts, I'm keeping. Yep, I like them and they fit. I like the little distressing on the front, nothing in the back. So those are mine. I'm on the fence with this top. Okay, I don't know. I might keep it. I kind of like it. But let me tell you something. I am getting ready to do a closet clean out. I'm thinking that I will film it. And anything that I haven't been wearing since I've lived here, we're going on 2 years. Yeah, 2 years, is going. I've got things hanging in there with tags on them that fit, but I just don't reach for them. How much will I actually reach for this? Although this is pretty casual and I'm casual most of the time. So I'm gonna try it on again and see what I think. Would you leave this on, this plastic thing? I mean, you might see it if my hair's up, and a lot of times when it's hot, I will pull my hair up. So I don't know on that. All right, I love these pants, but let me tell you something. The tag says dictionary. The style sheet says democracy. The price sheet says 151. These are an 8-10. I would size up to a 10-12 just to make sure they fit. There is a lot of stretch, so I'm sure they'll stretch, but I can just tell that they're not going to stretch enough. Look at the stitching. Let's see, on the pocket there, which kind of helps give it some more, I don't know, it fits better. The side pockets didn't bulge out, probably because I stretched them all the way. They're just really, really nice. And they're a heavy weight, not too heavy for summer. They're almost like yoga pants, but dressy. That's what they feel like. They're really, really nice. So I might size up in these because the price, I mean, shoot, how much did I tell you they were? Was that a misprint? I think they were like $48 for the pants. Yeah, I think it might be worth sizing up. I'm on the fence with the shoes. They are cute with the shorts, aren't they? And they're comfortable. They're really comfortable. So I don't know. I might end up keeping them. But that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know your thoughts. I just received this box, so I'm going to post this video right away. And look forward to your comments. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.